In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view data in Google Analytics. Understanding how to navigate through the extensive collection of reports available in Google Analytics can be an invaluable tool for gaining insights into your website's performance and user behavior. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just dipping your toes into the world of analytics, these insights can help you refine strategies or uncover opportunities for improvement. Let's begin by navigating to the Reports section. Google Analytics has a thoughtfully organized interface, and to access your data, you'll want to start by looking at the menu on the left-hand side. There, you'll see a section labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This step will open up a whole range of categories filled with valuable data about your website and its visitors. Once you've made it into the Reports section, you will find a variety of categories that organize information in a way that's easy to digest. To start with, we have the Life Cycle category. This section is particularly valuable for understanding the different stages of user interaction with your site. It covers everything from how users first find your web page, known as acquisition, to how often they return, which we refer to as retention. Keeping a close eye on these metrics is important because it helps you understand what keeps people coming back to your site and what might be driving them away. Next up is the User category. This area is geared towards providing deeper insights into who your visitors are. You'll discover demographic information like the age and gender of your visitors, as well as their interests. Why is this important? Well, knowing who your audience is allows you to tailor your content, marketing campaigns, and even product offerings to better meet their needs and expectations. Recognizing your audience's demographics plays a critical role in any data-driven strategy. Finally, there's the Events category, which focuses on specific user interactions with your website. These interactions might include things like button clicks, video views, or form submissions. Understanding events is crucial for optimizing user experience on your site. For instance, if you notice that a lot of users are clicking a certain button but not completing a subsequent action, it might be worth revisiting that part of your user journey to identify potential bottlenecks or confusions in navigation. So, as you can see, Google Analytics is more than just a tool for counting clicks. It's a powerful ally in understanding the full user journey, from the moment someone first encounters your brand to their continued interaction and engagement. By following these steps and exploring these report categories, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions that can significantly impact the success of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.